Okay, they were out of the vanilla nut pods, so I had to get the original. This is my first time trying it. I don't know how this is gonna go, guys. But I like to frost some nut pods to put on top. Let's see. Here we go. It is a beautiful Sunday. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Past 48 hours has just been so crazy. If you're not following me on Instagram, I launched my own jewelry brand. It's size inclusive, so I carry rings from sizes 5 to 13. I'm working on a size 4 and a size 3 right now, and we also have anklets that are in 5 different size options. So I'm not going to talk like too much about it here because I want to do like a full deep dive video into it later, and I might even create my own YouTube channel for any of my business babes, entrepreneur babes who want to just see how this business is going and see like the behind the scenes and maybe get some tips. Maybe you have a business of your own or you've been thinking about it, and so I figure there's someone out there that would be like helpful for. But I just wanted to say that the launch went so well. Like I cried like all day Friday. I'm just so grateful and thankful for how that launch went, and I'm just so excited to see like where this brand is gonna go. And I really like, in making the brand, I know this sounds really cheesy, but I just really want to like change the world for the better, change fashion for the better. I just want to make waves, you know? Thanks to all of you guys for your support and your love. Yesterday we got all of the fulfillment done, which I was really happy to get done for our launch. So everyone who ordered Friday, their stuff is going out this Monday. Anyways, since I've had a crazy 2 days, I really want this Sunday to just be like chill. I want to prep for the week. I want to get my mind ready for the week. Now that I have a business, I really need to make sure that I'm organized and I'm giving myself like the fuel that it needs, and I'm trying to just focus on my health more. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm just gonna make some coffee, do my journaling, get my smoothie in, run to the grocery store, Trader Joe's. I do have to shoot a couple looks, but I think that's all the work that I'm gonna do today, so that'll be at the end of the video. Yeah, let's get this Sunday started. Loving starting my day with the 5-minute journal that I just recently purchased. It was viral all over TikTok, so of course I had to get it, but it focuses mostly on what you're grateful for, and it's a really great way to start your morning. So I'm going to show you now how I make my green smoothie. It's really like the past couple weeks, like it's the only thing that's been healthy for me. Because the past 2 weeks have been so crazy. It's like the only thing I can like do for myself right now. Just making sure I get my vitamins in and my greens in without having to like cook a lot of food. Okay, let's make this smoothie. Okay, now I've had my coffee. I feel like a normal human being again. So let's head to Trader Joe's and I'll show you guys all the stuff that I'm getting, see what I can find. Okay, so we're back and I'm gonna show you just a few things that I picked up. I'm not gonna go through every little thing because that would probably be really boring for you, but these are like key things that I have to get every time I go to Trader Joe's. Number one, some shaved Brussels sprouts. These are so good just to throw in the air fryer with some olive oil, salt and pepper, whatever seasonings you like. I like paprika. I'll put some turmeric on it and so good, easy way to get your veggies in. I personally I don't like vegetables. So the ones that I do like, I try to incorporate a lot of them. So I eat a lot of Brussels sprouts. And everybody says like Brussels sprouts are supposed to give you gas, but I don't get gas from them, so I guess I'm lucky. Oh my God, you guys can hear the squirrels outside? I'm sorry. And there's my dog chasing me. Be right back. Okay, so I also really love these criminy mushrooms. So I actually hate mushrooms, but these are the only ones that I can kind of stand in my food, and mushrooms are supposed to be really good for you. So I try to chop these up just a little bit more than they are. They're pretty big. So I chop them up and just stick them inside. Like even the Brussels sprouts, I'll add them in the Brussels sprouts, put them in the air fryer. Basically, I put everything in the air fryer and call it a day. And then I was out of spinach for my smoothies, so I picked up some spinach. I picked up some kale from Matt. I personally don't love kale, but he likes kale. I also saw these chicken sausage breakfast burritos. These look really good. I feel like this would be good in a pinch, like if I don't have time to cook and I don't want to eat terrible. They do have a lot of carbs, but they also have a lot of protein. Oh my gosh, this tempura shrimp is so good in the air fryer. So easy. I'll just make this in the air fryer and heat up some rice and oh my God, so good. You just have to watch the calories because it's like 3 pieces for almost 300 calories, so like 100 calories a piece. They are pretty big pieces and they're really tasty, so it's not like the healthiest. It's obviously fried, but I just want balance in things that I'm actually gonna really enjoy and eat. Also, this is kind of random, but I started to, every time after like I get back from the grocery store, I will wash all of my fruits and I'll put them in these containers open like in the fridge like this lined with a paper towel, so that it's kind of, and I've noticed that this has made our consumption of these fruits like so much more because they're so much easier to grab for us. So I feel like we actually eat our fruits now that they're already like washed and ready to go, because I was noticing that Matt would never like touch the fruit if he had to pull it out and wash it. So this has helped like a lot. So now I'm just gonna finish off the day with shooting some content. I really loved this look, and then I'm gonna have dinner with Matt and then chill for the rest of the Sunday. Thank you so much for watching.